Oh, shoot. I can't run any faster. I need to find shelter. I can't just go home looking all wet. Ugh. Oh, man. I'm soaking wet already. I need to find shelter now. Whoa! This water, it's slippering me all over. Whoa! Ugh. Ow! Wait! Oh, sure is rainy. Hey, girl! Wait! Girl, can I take a ride? Oh, girl! Hey, it sure is really nasty out here. Oh, man, I'm all wet too. You better come with me before we get all wet. That's what I was about to say. I need a shelter. Can I come to your house? Yeah, anytime. Whoa! Ugh. Come on, we just totally need to go, because, like, it's totally raining. You get on the other side. We need to hurry. Oh no! I forgot the open part. It's really opened, and... Ah! The water is full of cars. Finally, somewhere. It's nighttime, for goodness sake. We need to hurry up and get in the house. What are you waiting for? Come on. Coming. The car is soaking wet that I can't even, like... Ah! I'm falling out your seat. This sounds like wet. We need to hurry and go.